Hey guys, yeah, I dyed my hair again. I was blonde for a while, now it is like a chestnut brown. Going blonde really damages your hair, I have to say, so we're going back to the dark side for a little while. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Bomb Mom. If you're new, my name is Leah. I do makeup tutorials and product testing, share tips and tricks for busy moms like myself. Or if you're just someone who's interested in makeup, skincare, beauty, hair, all that kind of stuff, you've come to the right place. Now, on average, I've been making a video about once a month now, whereas in the past I would do it about once a week. So as I mentioned in my last video, I've been working a lot. My kids started school, so we've had that extra stress, I guess. And I've just been enjoying my downtime and alone time. So yeah, today I'm like, you know what? It's been a month. Let's make a video, okay? Let's do a nice fall makeup look today. So this is my Pixi Skin Treats Rose Glow Mist. 7 flower oils. So I'm just gonna kind of do this as a bit of a primer and give my skin some more moisture. This is just nice to give a little bit of dewiness to the skin. I picked this up the other day, the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint in the shade 110 Fair Light. So because it's getting colder weather here where I live, I wanted to use a more kind of moisturizing, more liquidy tinted foundation. My skin has been pretty good lately, so yeah, I'm really liking the skin tint because it's not overly heavy like a lot of foundations, and it doesn't give you that kind of cakey, flaky look. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this one. And I actually picked it up at a grocery store. Anyway, so this just really moisturizes the skin and it doesn't leave my skin feeling tight. But for those problem areas, I will use a concealer. This one's by Catrice, the Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. So I'll just put that in those areas that I want to give a little bit more brightness to, any kind of blemishes that I might be experiencing. And I'm not using a brush today because it's the real world and I don't have time to clean them all the time. I've had this stupid zit here for like the longest time. You can leave anytime. That's okay. My skin's actually pretty decent right now, so I shouldn't be complaining. I'm just kind of tapping it so that it really gets into the skin. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier loose setting powder now. Just take a flat brush and set my under eyes. And I'll also set kind of around my nose in the spots where it gets oily. And just underneath of my nose as well. Then the rest of that, I can take a bigger brush and just kind of tap it over my forehead and my chin, anywhere that I think I might get a little oily throughout the day. I'm going to use one of my favorite bronzers, the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer. And as you can see, my summer tan has left the building, so we need to add some color. If you want a good cream bronzer, the NYX Wonder Stick that I used in one of my last videos is really nice. I just like this e.l.f. one. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's just kind of just right. For blush, I'm going to use my Willa by Benefit Cosmetics. This is the shade here. And I'll just use my Hard Candy highlighter that I got from the dollar store. It's not one I normally reach for, but it was handy, and I find it smells a little plasticky. I don't know if it's just the plastic itself or if it's the makeup itself, but I don't trust a lot of dollar store makeup, so. Brows. I have my Essence Eyebrow Designer. This is in the shade 02 Brown. So just kind of lightly fill in any scarce areas. It's kind of tricky sometimes for me because I do have an eyebrow tattoo, but it's kind of been fading a little bit on one side, so I gotta make them look like as even as possible without looking like too fake. For my eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna use my Milk Makeup. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Smashbox palette. It's the Petal Metal Eye Palette. And here are the beautiful colors. It is quite a loved palette. I've had it for a while. So I will start with my transition shade, which will be this one here. Kind of like a light butterscotch color. And I'm just gonna kind of dust that on my crease in little circular motions. You can always go back and add a little more if it's not as intense as you like, or add a little bit less if it's too much. Now to add some depth, I'm going to use more of a dense flat brush, and we're going to take the darkest color here, this kind of chocolate brown, and I'm just going to tap a little bit of that in like a C shape. And kind of make this motion. Add a little bit more. You can always blend it out after more with a blending brush if it's too harsh of a line. But just notice how I'm doing that kind of C shape. And if you have hooded eyes, start it up here, okay? Don't start it down here because it'll make your eyes look smaller. You want to start your shadow up here instead. But I don't have hooded eyes, hence why I don't do that. But if you do, like I said, start it up higher. I'm also going to put a little bit underneath of my eye and smoke that out. Now I'm gonna add a bit more of this butterscotchy shade just to kind of what am I trying to say? I'm trying to make this black or dark brown look less harsh, so that's why I'm kind of putting a little bit more up there. Now you can choose any one of these shimmer shades if you want to put right here on your lid. I'm gonna go with this middle one here and just apply a little bit to my lid. And then for the inner corners of my eye, I'm gonna take one of these top shimmer shades, put a little bit right in my corner there to brighten that up. And if you even want to deepen up your outer corners a bit more, I'm using this brown Velvet Gel eyeliner from Marcel, and you can just add a little bit more darkness to the outer portion of your lid. And even underneath a little tiny bit if you want to darken that up a little bit more. For mascara, I'm going to try my Benefit Rollerball. I haven't tried this one before. It's a mini. But yeah, let's just see how this looks. It looks like it has a little comb, a comb-like brush. Oh, for separating. Yeah, that separated pretty nicely. Yeah, I'll show you guys kind of up close. It looks like a little comb. I find the longer, skinnier brushes will give you more length and separation. And then the kind of shorter, chunkier brushes will give you more volume. Yeah, this is really good. I'm partial to the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit, but I've never tried this one. So this one's pretty good as well. Awesome. The one that I've tried that I don't like by Benefit is the They're Real mascara. They're Real is just, I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. It doesn't do much for my lashes. It just kind of, it's a really lightweight, flaky kind of coverage. Whereas Bad Gal Bang and the Roller Lash are kind of more to my lashes liking. All right, now for lipstick, we have the Revlon Color Stay Matte Crayon. This one's in the shade Air Kiss. Oh, it's quite red. And it's quite creamy. You always have to be careful with red lipstick that you don't screw it up. All right, so that feels really nice on the lips. Very kind of creamy and moisturizing. I feel like this will smudge a little bit though, so you just gotta be careful. But it's a nice vibrant color and it feels really nice on the lips. Yeah, it's not like a long wearing one, it's just a lipstick. Let's just say that, but I like it, it feels good. So, here we have the final look. And if you want to set this look, I have my Make It Last spray. It's dewy. The one that I had before was, I think it was the matte one that I had before, but this is the Make It Last dewy because it is drier weather now. So we'll finish off the look with this. Okay. Nice, simple, easy fall look. And yeah, it was good to make a video and be back this week, this month. I guess October's almost over now. Halloween is coming up. Let me know if you guys have any plans in the comments below. I'm going to a party on the weekend with my friends. It should be really fun. I'm going as Jessica Rabbit. So if you all remember Roger Rabbit, yeah, Jessica is my girl. We're going as her. So if you like this kind of thing, subscribe to my channel, like, and hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I'm uploading a new video. So, love you guys. Thanks for being so patient with me as I'm only uploading once a month now. I hope you're all having a great day and a great week, and I hope to see you again soon. Lots of love. Bye, guys.